Now what are you cooking? What are you cooking now? Lucy. Hey girls, what are you cooking? Lucy, what are you cooking?
Meatballs.
Meatballs? Ellis, what are you cooking?
Meatballs.
You're cooking meatballs. You don't know what meatballs are. Ellis, what are you cooking now?
Eggs.
You're cooking eggs. Lucy, what are you cooking?
A pizza.
Pizza.
Ow.
Ow.
Ow.